Today, I am reviewing the NIMO 15.6-inch IPS FHD gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The NIMO 15.6-inch laptop is a remarkable device that challenges the traditional boundaries between high-end business machines and capable gaming rigs. After spending extensive time testing its capabilities, it is clear that this machine was built for the user who demands extreme efficiency without the bulky aesthetic of a traditional performance laptop. The first thing you notice is the sophisticated, ultra-lightweight profile. Weighing in at under 1.7 kilograms, it is incredibly easy to slide into a backpack, yet it feels surprisingly substantial and durable once you open it up. At the heart of this machine lies the AMD Ryzen 7 Pro 6850U. This 8-core processor is a powerhouse of efficiency and raw speed. In my testing, it consistently outperformed similar chips in its class, handling complex data transformations and heavy coding environments with ease. What makes this processor truly special is how it balances power consumption with performance. You get the snappy, immediate response of a flagship chip without the excessive heat or fan noise that usually accompanies high-end hardware. One of the most surprising aspects of the NIMO laptop is the integrated Radeon 680M graphics. Built on the RDNA 2 architecture, this GPU bridges the gap between integrated and discrete graphics. While this is marketed as a business and gaming laptop, the 680M allows you to engage in light, creative design and even modern gaming at respectable frame rates. It handles video editing and 3D modeling tasks much better than typical business laptops, making it a versatile tool for professionals who might need to pivot from spreadsheets to creative content creation. The inclusion of 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM is a massive highlight. Most laptops in this category stop at 16 GB, but having 32 GB of ultra-fast memory means you can keep dozens of browser tabs, several heavy applications, and virtual machines running simultaneously without a hint of slowdown. Combined with the 1 TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, the system feels incredibly fluid. Boot times are nearly instantaneous, and large file transfers happen in the blink of an eye. This is a machine that respects your time and keeps up with a fast-paced professional workflow. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display is a pleasure to use for long stretches. It provides accurate colors and crisp text, which is essential for both document review and content consumption. The 16:9 aspect ratio is perfect for media, and the matte finish does an excellent job of reducing glare in bright office environments. For those long nights, the ergonomic backlit keyboard provides a tactile and comfortable typing experience. The keys have a satisfying travel distance, and the illumination is even and clear, making it perfect for working on a flight or in a dimly lit room. Connectivity is another area where NIMO has gone above and beyond. In an era where many manufacturers are removing ports, this laptop offers a full array that eliminates the need for messy dongles. With 2 USB-C ports supporting power delivery and DisplayPort, plus 3 USB-A ports, HDMI, and a micro SD reader, you can build a complete workstation instantly. The physical webcam shutter and integrated fingerprint reader offer peace of mind for privacy-conscious users, ensuring that your data and your workspace remain secure at all times. The charging system is equally impressive. The included 100-watt power delivery adapter is compact and comes with a generous 2-meter cable, allowing you to stay productive even if you are not sitting directly next to an outlet. When you do need a quick top-up, the fast charging gets you back to a high percentage in a very short time. The 53.58 watt-hour battery is well optimized for the Ryzen architecture, comfortably lasting through a full day of typical business use. Perhaps the most reassuring aspect of this purchase is the support system NIMO provides. A 2-year manufacturer's warranty and a 90-day return window are almost unheard of in the current market, signaling a high level of confidence in the hardware's longevity. This laptop is a silent workhorse that manages to be powerful, portable, and professional all at once. Whether you're a business professional, a student, or a casual gamer who needs a reliable daily driver, the NIMO 15.6-inch laptop delivers a premium experience that is hard to find elsewhere. It is a smart, well-engineered investment for anyone who refuses to compromise on performance or portability.